Hi, I'm going to show you how to explore the lingual surfaces at number 29 and 30. First, you want to have a modified pen grasp with holding the explorer with the pads of your fingers. You should be holding onto the handle with your index finger and your thumb, and then your middle finger resting on the shank. The handle should be resting on the third knuckle, and there should be a space in between your finger and your thumb. Exploring is used to find calculus and abnormalities around the tooth. And then when your ring finger is going to be used as a fulcrum, and this is going to provide stability for your hand while you're exploring, and this is going to help you do pivot motions going vertical, oblique, or side to side. And then the space in between your ring finger and your thumb is going to help roll the explorer, and then this is going to help with adaptation so you can explore around the tooth. To find the correct working end, first you need to put the explorer at the distal surface of the tooth, and then you want to see that it's parallel with the tooth. If it's parallel with the tooth, that's how you know you found the correct working end, and this is called parallelism, when the terminal shank is parallel with the long axis of the tooth. Now that you found the correct working end, you want to put the explorer at the distal line angle of the tooth, and then you want to start with a side-to-side motion. Go. And then your elbow also wants to be tucked in towards your body. So you're going to go side to side, roll, side to side, roll, side to side, roll, elbow out, 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 side to side, roll, elbow out. And then once your elbow is all the way out and you're in the proximal surface of the contact, you want to do vertical motions. And then you want to tuck out your explorer, and then you want to do a half turn, and then you want to go mesially. You want to start at the distal line surface, and then you want to continue. So you're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Once you reach the midline of the tooth, you want to add a roll, and you want to tuck your elbow in. So up and down, roll, elbow in, 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 up and down, roll, elbow in. And then once you're in between the interproximal surface, you want to end with side-to-side motions. And now we're going to do number 29. So you want to start back at the distal line, and then you want to have your elbow tucked in. So it's going to go side to side, roll, elbow out, side to side, roll, elbow out, side to side, roll, elbow out, side to side, roll, elbow out. And then you want to do some lateral motions. Once you're done, you want to take the explorer out, go mesially, and start back at the distal line angle. Your elbow is going to be tucked very far out, and then you want to continue. So it goes up and down, roll, up and down, elbow in, 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 up and down, elbow in. And then once you're at the proximal surface, you want to finish off with side-to-side motions. So side to side, side to side. And that's how you explore the lingual surfaces.